Good morning, sir. I myself Amrita Kumari of Standard 9D. Roll number 9 is here to present you my physics project. My topic is to make a video to explain Newton's third law by two different spring balances. Newton's third law. A force is a push or pull that acts upon an object as a result of its interaction with another object. If an object A exerts a force on object B, then object B must exert a force of equal magnitude and opposite direction back on object A. According to Newton, to every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Let's see the example of Newton's third law with spring balance. Materials required: two spring balances, a iron rod. Procedure: take one spring balance and attach it to the iron rod. Then attach the another spring balance to first spring balance. Now stretch the second spring balance and observe. Observation: we observe that the reading on both spring balances are same. This shows that the force exerted by the spring balance A on B is equal but opposite in direction to the force exerted by spring balance B on A. The force exerted by the spring balance A on B is action and the force exerted by the spring balance B on A is reaction. Thus, Newton's third law is verified. Now, make a video to explain uniform circular motion and centripetal force associated with it. Uniform circular motion. The circular motion in which magnitude of velocity is constant but direction is varying is called uniform circular motion. Here is a figure related to uniform circular motion. Centripetal force. The force which is acting on body along the center when body moves on circular path or curved path is called centripetal force. Here is a figure related to centripetal force. Thank you, sir, for watching my video.